students. Welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. Now School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, that is Patel Section. After years of hard works and dedication, we are dedicated to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge course and quiz. We will constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blog, newsletters, new course announcement. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see mathematics subject in this video, and today's topic is NCERT solution for class 8 math chapter 11 mensuration exercise 11.2. So let's do textbook exercise. The first question is, the shape of the top surface of table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. So one parallel side of trapezium A equals to 1 meter. The second side B equals to 1.2 meter and the height H equals to 0.8 meter. Area of top surface of the table equals to half into A plus B H. So half into 1 plus 1.2 into 0.8. So half into 2.2 into 0.8, that is 0.88. So the area of top surface of table is 0.88 meter square. Second question. The area of trapezium is 34 cm square and the length of one of the parallel sides is 10 cm and its height is 4 cm. Find the length of the other parallel side. So let the length of other parallel side be B. Length of one parallel side A equals to 10 cm. Height equals to 4 cm and area of trapezium is 34 cm square. So the formula is area of trapezium equals to half into A plus B H. So 34 equals to half 10 plus B into 4. We can cut this 2 and 4, we will get 2. So 34 equals to 2 into 10 plus B. We can take this 2 down. So 34 upon 2, that is 17, and then we will minus this 10 with 17. So we will get B as 7. Hence another required parallel side is 7 cm. Third question, length of the fences of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter if BC equals to 48 cm, CD equals to 17 meter and AD equals to 40 meter. Find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. Given BC equals to 48 meter, CD equals to 17 meter, AD equals to 40 meter and parameter equals to 120 meter. Because parameter of trapezium ABCD, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So 120 equals to AB plus 48 plus 17 plus 40. So 120 equals to AB plus 105. So AB equals to 120 minus 105, that is 15 meter. Area of the field equals to half into BC plus AD into AB. So half into 48 plus 40 into 15. Half into 88 plus 15, that is 660. So area of the field ABCD is 660 meters square. Fourth one, the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Now consider h1 equals to 13 meter, h2 equals to 8 meter and AC equals to 24 meter. Area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So half into BH1 plus half into BH2. Half into BH plus H1 plus H2 equals to half into 24 into 13 plus 8. So half into 24 into 21. So we will get 252. Hence required area of field is 252 meters square. Fifth question. The diagonal of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. So D1 is given 7.5 centimeter, D2 is given 12 centimeter. We know that area of rhombus equals to half into D1 into D2. So half into 7.5 into 12. So we'll get 45. So area of rhombus is 45 centimeters square. Sixth question. Find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of the diagonals is 8 centimeter long, find the length of other diagonal. Since rhombus is also a kind of parallelogram, so formula of rhombus equals to base into altitude. Putting values, we have area of rhombus equals to 6 into 4, that is 24. Area of rhombus is 24 centimeters square. Formula of area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2. By substituting the values, 24 equals to half into 8 into D2. So we get D2 as 6. Hence the length of other diagonal is 6 centimeter. Seventh, the floor of a building consisting of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter, 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So the length of one diagonal is 45 centimeter and second is 30 centimeter. Area of one tile equals to half into D1 into D2. So half into 45 into 30. So we will get 675. So area of one tile equals to 675 centimeters square. So area of 3000 tiles is 675 into 3000, that is 20,25,000 centimeters square. We will divide with 10,000. We will get 202.50 meters square, because 1 meter square equals to 10,000 centimeters square. Cost of polishing the floor per square meter equals to 4. So cost of polishing the floor per 202.50 square meter equals to 4 into 202.50. So we will get 810. So cost of polishing the floor is rupees 810. Eighth question. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Perpendicular distance is 100 meter, that is given. Area of trapezium shaped field is 10,500 meters square, that is also given. Let side along the road be x meter and side along the river equals to 2x meter. So area of trapezium field equals to half into a plus b into h, that is 10,500 equals to half into x plus 2x into 100. So 10,500 equals to 3x into 50. By simplifying, we have x equals to 70, which means side along the river is 70 meter and side along the river equals to 2x equals to 2 into 70. So we will get 140 meter. Ninth question. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. So octagon having 8 equal sides, each 5 centimeter given, 5 meter given. Divide the octagon as shown in the below figure. Two trapeziums whose parallel and perpendicular sides are 11 meter and 4 meter respectively. And third one is rectangle having length and breadth 11 meter and 5 centimeter respectively. So area of two trapezium equals to 2 bracket half into a plus b into h. So half into 2 into half into 11 plus 5 into 4. By simplifying, we will get 4 into 16, that is 64. So area of true trapezium is 64 meters square. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. So 11 into 5 is 55. So area of rectangle is 55 meters square. Total area of octagon equals to 64 plus 55. So we will get 119 meters square. 10th question. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? So by Jyoti's diagram, area of pentagon equals to area of trapezium ABCP plus area of trapezium AEDP. So half into AP plus BC into CP plus half into ED plus AP into DP. That is half 30 plus 15 into CP plus half into 15 plus 30 into DP. So half into 30 plus 15 into CP plus DP. So half into 45 into CD. So half into 15 into 45. So we will get 337.5 meters square. So area of pentagon is 337.5 meters square. By Kavita's diagram, a perpendicular AM drawn to BE. So AM equals to 30 minus 15. So it is 15 meter. Area of pentagon equals to area of triangle ABE plus area of square BCDE. So half into 15 into 15 plus 15 into 15. So 112.5 plus 225. So it is 337.5. So total area of pentagon shaped park is 337.5 meters square. 11th one. Diagram of an adjacent figure frame has outer dimensions equals to 25 centimeter and 28 centimeter and inner dimension equals to 16 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So two figures 1 and 2 are similar in dimension. Figure 3 and 4 are similar in dimension. Area of figure equals to area of trapezium. So half into A plus B into H. So half into 28 plus 20 into 4. Half into 48 into 4, that is 96. Area of figure equals to 96 centimeter square. Area of figure 2 is 96 centimeter square. Area of figure 3 equals to area of trapezium. So half into AB into H. So half into 24 plus 16 upon into 4. So half into 40 into 4, that is 80. So area of figure is 80 centimeter square and area of figure 4 is 80 centimeter square. So this was exercise 11.2 of chapter 11 class 8. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.